These pure gold bars are worth nearly $2 million, but just a few hours ago, they were nothing more than discarded computer CPUs. Every one of these old processors still hides tiny amounts of real gold.
Everything you see here is designed to recover every possible gram of precious metal.
Artificial intelligence separates processors based on their metal content and recovery value. Before anything is dismantled, every processor is carefully identified and sorted. Only after dismantling can the valuable materials be safely recovered. The processors are crushed into small fragments to expose every hidden layer.
We've prepared the processors. Now it's time to extract the gold hidden inside.
This concentrated material contains copper, nickel, silver, and tiny amounts of gold locked inside.
The refining process begins with carefully controlled chemical preparation. The solution begins separating metals under carefully controlled industrial conditions.
Temperature, mixing speed, and timing are constantly monitored for maximum recovery. We are clear for stage 4. Please initiate the sequence.
Sequence initiated. Status is green. Different metals begin separating through carefully controlled industrial refining stages.
Filtration removes unwanted solids before the precious metals move to final recovery. The gold is now separated from most other materials. Next, we'll recover it from the solution.
This is the heart of the refinery. Here, advanced industrial systems recover precious metals with incredible precision.
Every system here works together as one continuous operation. Automation keeps the entire refinery running day and night.
This is the heart of the refinery. Here, advanced industrial systems recover precious metals with incredible precision.
Every system here works together as one continuous operation. Automation keeps the entire refinery running day and night.
Every minute, thousands of automated movements keep the production process flowing without interruption.
Every stage is verified automatically to maintain consistent production quality. An intelligent transport network connects every production department across the refinery.
The material has now passed through another critical stage. Next, you'll see how it moves toward the final industrial refining and casting process. We've reached the final refining department. Here, the recovered precious metal is prepared for casting into investment-grade bars. Every casting cell is completely automated. Precision robotics ensure every gold bar has a consistent shape, weight, and surface finish.
Hundreds of robotic systems work together with incredible precision, ensuring every casting line operates continuously without interruption.
Every bar is automatically inspected for appearance, consistency, and production quality before moving to the next department.
Every single bar passes through multiple automated inspections before it can leave the refinery. Nothing is left to chance.
From this point forward, every approved bar moves automatically through the final finishing line. Precision robotics handle every transfer with absolute consistency.
After automated finishing, every bar receives one final inspection before it is prepared for secure shipment.
Every approved bar now enters the secure logistics system, where it is prepared for final documentation, secure storage, and shipment.
Every finished bar is automatically recorded and placed into secure storage before it continues to the final packaging department. Every finished bar is digitally tracked throughout the facility, ensuring complete production traceability from recycling to final shipment.
Automation allows every finished bar to move through packaging with consistent handling and continuous quality monitoring.
After final inspection, every approved bar is securely prepared for transport through our fully automated logistics system.
From here, every shipment follows a carefully monitored logistics process before leaving the facility. After a complete journey through the refinery, The finished bars are now ready to continue to their next destination through our automated logistics network. From discarded electronic waste to carefully refined precious metal, this remarkable journey is only possible through advanced engineering, automations. What began as discarded computer processors has completed an incredible industrial journey. Thank you for joining us behind the scenes to explore.
Even after production is complete, every bar is carefully examined using advanced laboratory technology before final certification. Advanced laboratory systems verify every finished bar before it receives final documentation and approval. Precision measurements help ensure every finished bar meet the facility's quality standards before documentation is completed. Completed inspection becomes part of a fully documented production record before the bars are cleared for secure release. With every laboratory verification complete, the bars are now officially approved to leave the testing department and continue their journey.
Once the final authorization's complete, the approved shipment is ready to continue through the refinery's automated dispatch network.
The laboratory and logistics departments work together seamlessly, allowing approved products to continue through the facility without interruption.
Every stage inside this refinery is connected through one continuous automated system, allowing
Modern logistics allows recycled precious metals to move efficiently across international transportation networks while maintaining continuous automated handling. Automated rail systems efficiently connect industrial production with regional and international transportation networks. Every transfer is carefully coordinated by automated logistics systems, allowing products to move smoothly between different modes of transportation. Large-scale industrial logistics connects advanced recycling facilities with manufacturers and distribution networks across the world.
Advanced transportation networks allow recycled precious metals to reach manufacturing industries around the world through highly coordinated logistics systems. Advanced transportation networks allow recycled precious metals to reach manufacturing industries around the world through highly coordinated logistics systems. This shipment has now entered the International Transportation Network, connecting advanced recycling with industries that rely on high-quality precious metals. Our journey continues. These recycled gold bars are now ready to become part of the next generation of advanced technology.
Recycled precious metals do not stop at the refinery. They become essential materials for the advanced technologies used around the world. Advanced industries require extremely precise materials. Before precious metals become part of new technology, they are carefully prepared through controlled manufacturing processes. Inside modern manufacturing facilities, precious metals become part of advanced systems through highly controlled automated processes. The same precious metals recovered from discarded electronics can support the creation of advanced technologies through modern manufacturing. Before advanced products reach the world, every stage is carefully inspected to ensure reliability and consistent performance.
After careful inspection, advanced products are prepared for delivery through automated packaging and distribution systems. From recycled electronic waste to advanced technology, every stage is connected through a global network of automated production and distribution.
A discarded computer processor can begin a remarkable journey. Through advanced recycling, precision engineering, and modern manufacturing.
Before valuable materials can become something new, the journey begins here, inside a modern facility designed to recover resources from electronic waste.
Modern recycling facilities combine human expertise with advanced automation to recover valuable materials from millions of discarded electronic devices. Once electronic components are separated, advanced industrial systems begin the process of recovering valuable materials hidden inside complex hardware.
Recovering precious metals required extreme precision. Every stage is controlled to separate valuable materials from complex electronic waste.
After multiple recovery and purification stages, valuable metals are transformed into highly refined materials ready for their next life. The final transformation begins here, where recovered precious metals are shaped into standardized gold bars through controlled industrial processes. Every recovered gold bar is carefully verified, documented, and securely stored before entering the global precious metals supply chain.
This is the future of recycling, NOMU, turning yesterday technology into tomorrow's resources.
The value of recycling is not only measured in recovered gold, it is measured in creating a more efficient and sustainable industrial future.
Cities around the world are becoming sources of valuable materials. The technology we throw away today can become the resources we need tomorrow. Recovering gold from electronic waste requires a combination of engineering, chemistry, automation, and precise control at every stage.
The transformation of electronic waste into valuable resources shows how technology and recycling can work together to create a circular economy. Recovered precious metals do not simply leave the factory. They continue their journey through a global network of industries and technologies.
Recovered gold from old electronics can return to the technology industry, becoming part of new products that shape the future.
The journey does not end with a new product. Every device created today can become a resource for tomorrow.